Hello friends, I hope you are in the best of your health. Welcome to the RC show. Today, we are going to learn about a very interesting mathematical trick that will help you to solve questions very quickly in various different exams. The trick to calculate the number of triangles in less than 3 seconds. Click the subscribe button below to get all the latest videos on cool mathematical tricks on this channel. If you are enjoying my videos, click the like button below because your appreciation motivates me to create more such helpful videos. So let's start! In number of exams, you are asked questions like this and asked to calculate the number of triangles in it. Most of the students gets confused and waste a lot of time calculating the answer, and in the process, a lot of other questions are left out because of the lack of time. Today, I am going to share few tricks with you that will make it really easy to calculate the number of triangles in such figures just within 3 seconds. Type 1. You often get figures like this and asked to count the number of triangles in them. So how to do it? In figure 1, you can easily see there is only one triangle. Yeah? In figure 2, take the base as the reference and write 1, 2. Now add 1 plus 2. That gives us 3. And that's our answer. The number of triangle in figure 2 is 3. Okay, let's try with figure 3. Take the base, write 1, 2, 3, 4. Now add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. That gives us 10. And that's our answer. Okay, let's try one more. In figure 4, take the base and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. That gives us 28. And that's our answer. Isn't this trick really making your work easier and super quick, right? Okay, let's move to our type 2 figures. How to calculate the number of triangles in these figures where the lines are horizontal? It's really easy. Just count the number of horizontal lines. So in figure 1, we can see there are 3 lines. So that means number of triangles is 3. In figure 2, how many horizontal lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's our answer. The number of triangles are 5. Let's try one more. Figure 3. How many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's our answer. The number of triangles in figure 3 is 8. Isn't it super easy? Right? Okay, let's move to our type 3 figures. Look at this figure. You might get confused and calculate a wrong answer for the number of triangles, right? But using this trick, you will never do a mistake. Always remember the logic remains the same. So calculate the numbers starting from 1 taking the base. So for the lower base, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This base, 1, 2. And the third base, 1, 2. Now add all these. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2. That gives us 27. And that's our answer. The number of triangles in this figure is 27. Isn't this trick making your process so much easier and quicker? Okay, let's try it out with one more figure. This has come in a number of exams. Take the base and write the numbers. The upper base 1 and 2. The middle base 1 and 2. The lower base 1, 2. Now add all these. 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2. That gives us 9. And that's our answer. The number of triangles in this figure is 9. Isn't it super quick, right? Okay, let's move to our type 4 figure and learn how to calculate the number of triangles just within 3 seconds. Let's understand this. If there is a triangle inside a triangle, then how will you calculate the total number of triangles? Let's have a look at the figure 1. You can see there is one triangle inside a triangle. More than 85% students gets confused and make a mistake while calculating this. Let's understand the trick to calculate the number of triangles in such figures in less than 3 seconds. So if you get a question in the exams where there is a triangle inside a triangle, just remember one thing. Write 4 for the inner triangle and add 1 for the outer triangle, right? Write 4 for the inner triangle and add 1 for the outer triangle. Let's see at this figure. So there is one inner triangle, we'll write 4 and we'll add 1 to it. That is 5, and that's our answer. The number of triangles in this figure is 5. Easy? Okay, let's write it out with one more figure. You can see there are 2 inner triangles inside the triangle, right? So what will you do? Write 4 for the first inner triangle, then write 4 again for the second inner triangle, and then add 1 to it. That is 4 plus 4 plus 1. That gives us 9. And that's our answer. The number of triangles in this figure is 9. Isn't it quick and super easy, right? Okay, let's try it out with one more figure. It will solve all your confusions. You can see in this figure there are 3 inner triangles. So what will you do? You will write 4 for the first triangle, plus 4 for the second inner triangle, plus 4 for the third inner triangle, and plus 1 for the outer triangle. That gives us 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1. That is 13, and that's our answer. The number of triangles in this figure is 13. Just remember guys, there is a very simple logic. Count the number of inner triangles and multiply it by 4 and add 1 to it, and you will always get your answer. It is not quick, but it will also be very effective while giving important exams. Okay, let's move to our type 5 figures and learn how to calculate the number of triangles quickly. Now you have to count the number of triangles in this figure. How will you do it? Start writing from 1 and go on. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Take the last number of the series. In this case, it is 4, and multiply it by 2. That is 4 multiplied by 2. That gives us 8, and that's our answer. The number of triangles in this figure is 8. Okay. Let's try it out with one more difficult figure. It will clarify all your doubts. How will you calculate the number of triangles in this figure? So start writing from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now take the last number of the series, that is 8, and multiply it by 2. That gives us 16, and that's our answer. The number of triangles in this figure is 16. Isn't this trick making the process super easy and effective, right? Okay, before going ahead, use this trick to calculate the number of triangles in this figure and let us know your answer in the comment section below. Okay, let's move to our last and the type 6 figure and learn to calculate the number of triangles. How will you calculate the number of triangles if you get a figure like this in your exam? Don't worry, it's super easy. We can see if we calculate the number of panels on either of the sides of this figure, we'll get the same number. Okay, let's understand how. Figure 1. Let's count the number of the panels on first side. So 1, 2, 3. On the horizontal side, 1, 2, 3. And on the third side, 1, 2, 3. Right? Now let's suppose x is equal to 3. From this table, we get if x equal to 3, the number of triangles in the figure is 13. It's easy, right? Yes, one small requirement is that you have to memorize this table. It's really easy guys, you can right now memorize it only. So don't worry, you will be able to solve these questions very quickly. Okay, let's try it out with one more figure and understand this trick clearly. Let's count the number of panels on this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the horizontal side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on the third side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means x equals to 6. And from this table, if x is equals to 6, the number of triangles in the figure is 78. Isn't it super easy, right? That's how these 6 tricks will help you to solve and calculate the number of triangles questions in your important exams very quickly and efficiently. Just remember one thing, practice is the key. The more you practice, the better you get. If you loved this video, click the like button below. Your appreciation encourages me to create more helpful videos for you. If you want me to create a video on any topic, do let me know in the comment section below or drop me a mail on this email ID. Do subscribe to this channel to get all the latest videos on cool mathematical tricks, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay positive.